Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gill here to share the October 2023 Flavors of the Month kit. So the Flavors of the Month is our bigger kit. It features 4 brand new collections so you can have the new coming in each and every month, and we also have add-ons so that you can add more cardstock, pattern paper, or embellishments. Along with your Flavors of the Month, you get lots of freebies. So you're going to get a sample of gourmet coffee. You can brew that up and sip on it while you unbox your goodies or while you create. You're also going to have access to 4 recipe cards. So these are double page layouts that our design team designs for you. And then they give you their cutting and assembly instructions and a color photograph so you can create right along with them. Also, as a subscriber, you get access to this free exclusive cut file. So these are designed by Cut to You just for you. And this month is this awesome fall trio wreath. So you can, I think this would be cute all together or broken apart. You could do so many things with this cut file. You're also going to find lots of inspiration over on the blog and the Facebook group. So be sure to join us over there. Our 4 collections this month is Cartabella Fall Fun. We have Echo Park Monster Mash and Paisleys and Petals from Fancy Pants Designs and Fresh Picked from Photoplay Paper. So you have a lot of different themes to create with this month. So let's dig in. We're going to take a closer look at each one of these. Our first collection we're going to look at is Fall Fun from Cartabella. So this is that wonderful textured cardstock weight paper. You're going to start with 2 sheets of white cardstock, this beautiful fall leaf pattern with the acorns, and then it has a red and black check on the back. We have this plaid, which looks like candy corn to me, super cute. And the back are these watering cans with sunflowers, the lanterns, just gorgeous. So that paper is called Flannel Warmth, and this one was called Autumn Abundance. Then we have the beautiful sunflower background. The back is a white polka dot on green. This paper is called Blooms of Fall. I love fall colors, and this is just gorgeous. Look at the difference depending on which papers you use. For your embellishments, you're going to get 2 of the sticker sheets, so all of the embellishments will vary, but I got 1 of the word labels and then 1 with lots of fall icons and a couple of banners. Super cute. Then you're also going to get some of the brads. Let's see if I can pick that up. So these are the ones that I got. I got a little pie and sunflowers and the plaid. So again, all of those will vary, but you get the idea. So that is Fall Fun from Cartabella. Our next collection is all about Halloween. So we have the traditional orange and black, but then we've thrown in some pink and some purple, yellow, and some of this light aqua. So it's a really fun take on the Halloween. So you're going to start with 2 sheets of black cardstock, this fun photo frame paper with the spider webs. The back is an orange and black stripe. This paper is called Party Monsters. Then we have all of the spooky eyes on black. The back is a purple plaid. That paper is called Happy Haunting. We have the jack-o'-lanterns on black and then a polka dot of green. This is called Faces of Halloween. I like that paper. So one more look at your pattern paper. Then for your embellishments, you're going to get the 12 by 12 sticker sheet. So we have a Happy Halloween border, the orange and black stripe, lots of all of the little character icons that are featured throughout here, as well as some great pieces to use for titles and little sprinkles. So that is Monster Mash from Echo Park. Next we have this really fun collection called Paisleys and Petals from Fancy Pants Design. So you're going to start with 2 sheets of white cardstock. Then we have this featured paper here, which is the paisleys and the flower petals. Just gorgeous. Look at all of those fun colors. The back is this turquoise pattern. This paper is called Floral Paisley. And then we have the leaves and the little florals and the pink and that coral and gold. And then the little starburst of florals scattered around. This one is called Forgotten Floral. That's gorgeous. Then we have some missing little embellishments. We have this paper in the turquoise with doilies and lace. Gorgeous. You could cut that apart for borders and any width. That would be so much fun. And then the back is this fun print. This one's called Vintage Lace in the pink and the gold. So one more look at your pattern paper. For your embellishments, you're going to get all kinds of embellishments. These are going to vary, but you're going to start with some enamel dots. So the colors will vary, but those are the ones that I got. Then you're going to get a 1/6 pack of the ephemera and a 1/6 pack of the tags and cards. So all of these will vary, but you can see some of the little tags and things down here, and then the floral pieces. So lots of options to embellish, and if you want even more embellishments, remember those add-ons. So that is Paisleys and Petals from Fancy Pants Design. Our next collection is fresh picked from Photoplay paper. So this is a fun, almost kitchen themed, but it's got just gorgeous florals and lemons, the yellow and the minty green, and some of this light aqua blues, just gorgeous. So you're going to start with 2 sheets of evergreen cardstock. Your pattern paper is this one, which is Lemon Twist, which is the gorgeous leaves and florals and lemons. The back is this kind of multimedia minty green. Then we have Country Flowers, which is the white flowers on the yellow, and the back is a yellow polka dot on white. We have Tools of the Trade, which is all of your kitchen themes, your KitchenAid mixer, the tea kettle, and pot holders. So many cute little icons. And the back is a leaf print on that dark green. It's beautiful colors. So that's your pattern paper. For your embellishments, you're going to get 2 doilies. Then you're going to get a 1/3 pack of the ephemera. So these will vary, but I got some frames and some tags and some banners. Then you're also going to get a row of Spellbinder gems. So mine are yellow here. So pretty. So that is fresh picked from Photoplay paper. One more look at your flavors of the month. Don't forget to grab all of your freebies, your recipe cards, your cut files. Join us over on the Facebook group for the challenges. There's sketches and the Freaky Fast Friday, which is my favorite. Lots of inspiration. Thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kids.